Alright guys, I'm here to break the myth that black people cannot swim. I'm going to show you guys black people can swim. Now, when I was in the Bahamas, you guys made fun of my swimming skills. But this time, I got some help. Go! They right there coming down, boy. So I'm gonna float? No! Alright y'all, I'm gonna show y'all these skills. Y'all thought I couldn't swim. From here to that wall is about 15 feet. I'm going the whole way, watch.
You guys, I taught him by the way. He never lured himself, I taught him.
Stand up, it's 3 feet.
Woo! Oh, I'm gonna get my first swimming lesson. Alright, come on. Oh, whoa. I don't wanna go too deep. Alright, first swimming lesson, baby. Let's go. Come on, show me how I go. You wanna go too deep?
You did it!
Oh!
You did pretty good. Let me show you how to go.
I'm a better swimmer now. He showed me a skill. But that's on the bottom. I want to swim on the top.